Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's mukbang, guys, is I made me some rice, and there's this beef that you can get at Costco, right? And it's all shredded up like cut thin slices. And then I cooked the broccoli. I went to have a shower, come back, the broccoli overcooked, so it's not now broccoli, it's brock dye. Okay. That's what it looks like, guys. Anyways, yep, give thanks to the good Lord for this food, because without him we are nothing. Okay, you always got to give thanks. And I have my trusty fork and spoon, because someone has taken my mukbang spoon, and I like the mukbang spoon because it's bigger. It's like nearly double the size of this, and it can get the job done in no time. Okay, cheers everyone. Hang on. Cheers everyone, gotta have a drink before I start. Like I said, it sort of smooths out the passageway for the food. Anyway, let's go. Oh, let me tell you, it's lovely. I'll get you guys a big bit. Here we go. This broccoli, oh, it's nice and green, and now look at it. And hand overcooked broccoli. No one thought but mine. Yep, it's lovely, guys. Pity the broccoli got a kamikaze on there. Yeah, that beef that you can get from Costco, pretty handy. It's already nicely thinly sliced. And then you can take it home, make it for your family, or cook it for your mukbang. Yeah, I cooked this, right? I fried the onions first, and then I had to cut this meat up because it comes in long strips, so you have to cut it twice, just to get the little bits that you want. I'm very happy if you like the long bits of meat. While you're eating out there, what have you got to eat? You know, because gotta have something to eat. We hang out and we eat together. Oh. Every time I look at this broccoli, kind of fire. Poor thing. It's a lot eating mush. I was really looking forward to it too. My bad. I killed the broccoli. Oh. God, good. Anyway, so I cut up the meat, right? Fried my onion, and then I chucked in the meat, cooked it, make it sizzle. Right? But before that, I made a sauce for this. And I always like to make my sauce in a little bowl and then mix it together rather than adding it bit by bit. Because I find that when you do that, you get a better combination. Well, that's just me anyway. Oh, not palado yet. Oh, hang on. See if I start ako na. Now, yere la pio. Yeah. Alright, man. Oh, I didn't even prepare my mirror properly. Oh, yeah, there you go. Woo. Hello. That's just me in the mirror. You know how they say you talk to yourself? Yeah, yeah. Cheers, guys. Oh, it's a cordial. Okay. Cordial is better than soda drinks. Okay, guys. Because there's only a little bit of cordial in there, and there's a whole lot of water, which is a bit healthier than that fizzy drink. No, a lot healthier than that soda drink. Anyway, that broccoli, when it looks at me, I feel sorry. And the broccoli looked at me like, why you kill me, mama? It is so nice. The way I mix the sauce. Oh, this poor broccoli. Fine. Alright, what bit? The colour, there's no colour, it's not green, it's like grey. And this is jasmine rice. Hey guys, you know, on Instagram, someone has created a polytube movement page. Okay, and if you go on there, you'll see hopefully all the polytubers and their channels. I'm in there, yes, and I'm behind Trans Fam. Woohoo! I am Trans Fam neighbor, and on the other side of Trans Fam is Gloria Vlogs. So us girl, we're beside the Trans Fam. We are family. Oh, guys, I finally decided that I have to let Hello Harriet know that I've decided I'm gonna go to the polyphonal, because I got invited and I didn't know what to reply back, but now I know. Yeah, my little sister Esther, she said, go sis, go, how can you not? And I thought, oh, okay, I will then. I wanted to, that's for sure. I guess I just needed, hey, you know what? I was just concerned about my mama, that's why. But I'm sure my big sister, who lives very close by, will take my mum in just for that time I'm going to be away. Probably it won't be too long. Probably just a couple of months, I don't know. Nah. You know, guys, I tell you, this is such a good meat to buy and bring it home, make it for your family. But if you're single like me, I mean, if you're single, you can make some. okay, and save some for another time, some meat for another time. Mm. Mm. So this morning, I come make me a coffee. And my husband had just bought some fresh bread rolls from Baker's Delight. And I thought, oh yum. So I buttered me a Baker's Delight bun, got my coffee, sat down. I was eating, enjoying it and everything, and next minute, hold the brakes. Oh, I wasn't even supposed to be eating because I was going to eat this. I just think, oh, how can I always forget? I always forget. And it makes it harder because I want to eat all my food. But, It's so nice. Listen, guys. I'm not kidding. This is lovely. The meat, you have to cook it the way you like. Medium rare, or soft, or, you know, just leave it in there for longer if you want it soft and tender. Yes, Spy Eyes, my daughter. I said, you, what's it? No, it's her. She's watching me and smiling. You want some?
I'll have some after.
Oh. Who says there's anything left after this? Yeah, so I gotta, well, not me. Waiting a while. Hello, Harriet. Yeah. I gotta email her and let her know that I'll be joining, and it'll be good. Oh my God. I'm just worried that they're gonna have some games, you know, like how they had it last time, and everyone was running around, you know, the youthful ones. And hello, I'll be needing a wheelchair. Someone push me around. I want to play. I can't stop running. I need another person my age to start up their channel so they can come with me. Hey, next minute you see me running down wherever they go. Oh, hello Harriet. What are you planning? What games? Is there games? Oh, I don't want to run. I'm but lazy. Okay, I'll try. I'll try and be a good sport. I don't know why I put the broccoli in here. I can't even eat it. Anyway, you know what? I'm looking forward to meeting, you know, the other polytubers. Honestly, I am. You know, I'm not much of a talker when I see people face to face. I'm not. I'm not. So hopefully, I just, you know, I'm not good at, you know, with people face to face. I'm only good at, you know, filming myself and talking to the camera, and talking to people that I really know. That'll be my siblings, my mother. Me and my siblings, we got this problem like that, you know. You know, when meeting people, we're not really, you know, forthcoming. confident. But our older brother in New Zealand, he's alright. He doesn't have that little phobia. It's like a little phobia, I'm telling you. We've had it since we were kids. And we joke about it, you know, because we used to, even back in New Zealand when we were kids, we could be all sitting around in the sitting room, right? And someone knocks on our front door, we will get up and we will find our own rooms and we will go to it. We'll just go, you know, and then our mum's calling out, where are you going? Come here in case you guys have to make a cup of tea or something. And we just go and run and hide until that person's gone. Or if our mother comes and say, get out there and go and make a cup of tea. Then we go and make a cup of tea, hurry up, you know, serve the people that's there or whatever. And then we take off back in the room. Why do we have it? I don't know. Yeah, well. Probably my siblings will watch this and go, oh my gosh, look how she's telling about our phobia. Well, it's the truth, guys. Yeah, so my older brother in New Zealand, he's lucky he doesn't have that. Do you guys have a phobia of some sort? If you do, I'd like to know. Then you can put it down in a comment and we'll have a talk. Oh, you know what? Thank you so much, guys, for, you know, leaving your comments. I really appreciate it. You know, I don't know. It just makes my day, I guess. But anyway, thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for always watching and thank you for leaving your comments and even thank you for the thumbs up. I don't know about the thumb down. I've seen a couple here and there. And I just think, why does... Why does YouTube have a down button? Why doesn't it just be a uplifting thumbs up, right? So if a person watches it and they like it, thumb it up. And if they don't, they're not going to be negative and thumb it down. But I guess, you know, not everyone's the same, eh? Like some people are just... you know, happy for another person, but there are some that just think and thumb it down. But they don't have to thumb it down. That's what I think. I have never, that's the truth, I have never thumbed anyone down. You know why? Because it's not nice. I don't think it's nice. I don't think it's nice at all. It's so sad. It's sad because why are they like that? Sorry, I'm just thinking out loud. Why would you go and thumb another person's channel down, whether you like it or not? Just, if you don't like it, go watch something else. Like Victoria's sister Molly said, don't be a negative, negative Nancy. Don't be a negative Nancy or Kelly or... Hey, I got a niece named Kelly. She's not negative. Yeah. Molly's right. Move out of our way. No. Molly, she's Victoria. You know, she also Victoria. She's Victoria's sister. Oh, I really, really like her personality. She's got a strong-minded personality, and I like it. I really like it. I think, can she give me a bit of that personality with, you know? Oh, well. And she's really pretty, too. Victoria, she's done some weight loss thing. And it really shows on her videos. Well done, girl. Well done. You know what? You know what? In Korea, you're inspiring other girls, you know. You do their one. And so they can look very nice, just like you. Oh, I'm going to read out a couple of names, right? I don't have many names. I didn't write many names down. But I first want to say, there's this lady, girl, named Fit Angie. And she's always commenting on a lot of people's channels, you know. She's always leaving positivity, you know, and then she'll move on to another one to go. So Fit Angie, thank you so much for always being around there. And she's not the only one, there's so many. So thank you for, like, Angie is putting out there, Fit Angie. And then there's another one, Penny. Oh, you know what? You have a fancy name. I hope I don't say it wrong. Penny Sivaye. I'll just write it down there, get it down there, and then you'll see. But she's been leaving some really good comments too. You know, it really goes to show how this person appreciates people that, you know, does their videos, you know. So I appreciate her. And then there's Jeannie Mations, you know. So thank you very much to these 3 people. So guys, these 3 people that I just shouted out, thank you so much, okay? We appreciate us that do our channels. We appreciate it because we do it for entertainment, you know. We like it, we enjoy it, and then there's an entertaining you guys out there. We're doing it for all you guys, and to see you guys letting us know that you guys appreciate our you know, our contents and stuff. Thumbs up for me and my camera and my cordial. Thumbs up, guys. Appreciate it. So I'm gonna continue eating this. But I better let you guys go because you guys might be falling off to sleep right now, okay? Take care, guys. And you guys be really awesome, okay? Awesome, give thanks. Be careful when you cross the road. Be careful when you're driving on the road. And say hello to your parents for me, especially the mothers that like watching my channel. Oi, ka whai whakatai lava tinas. Hey, I'm a tina too. Okay, I just wanted to say that. Okay, see you guys. Okay, Tofa Soifua. Bye guys. Tofa Soifua, manuia, kia manuia. And hey, do you know Joseph Parker's at Cook Islands? Oh, that's my ex, guys. But no one knows that. Okay, don't. Okay, see you guys. Bye.